In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Cash App to Auto Accept. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So to change your Cash App to Auto Accept, you want to turn off payment requests or edit who can send them to you. So if you turn off payment requests, it means that you will auto accept payments. So to update your request settings in app, tap the profile icon on the Cash App home screen. Now select privacy and security and scroll down and toggle incoming requests on or off. So if toggled on, select whether to receive requests from your contacts or from anyone. So also to change those settings online, so just log into your Cash App account at cash.app/account. At the bottom of the left toolbar, click Account to open your settings. Now, in the Privacy and Security section, toggle on or off incoming requests. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.